What is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all social media, and today we are going to be decorating my planner. Well, it's going to be one of the daily pages. I shouldn't say planner because it's not. It's just one of the daily pages. But today is the 31st, actually. I don't know why. Oh, did I glue the wrong? No, I didn't. I was like, I'm pretty sure I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this, and then we can set this up later on. Probably maybe on Thursday, I'm thinking. We'll see about that. But let's go ahead and set this up for today. I think it'll be a good little video for us because currently we are doing vlog week. Let me show you all. So right now it's Monday. I've already gone through all this. It's currently like, what time is it? Like almost 8 o'clock or something like that. But I wanted to knock this video out of the way just to kind of take care of it. And I can actually check some of this stuff off. This isn't part of this video, but we've done all this. So we're feeling accomplished. But I wanted to record this before I started reading my book. I feel like if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it early enough, and it's going to stress me out tomorrow because tomorrow I have a pretty long day. So let me put this back in here. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and decorate it. So first off, I always do kind of the same thing, pretty much the same thing. So this is kind of what I do, although right now it's already towards the end of the day. I'm still going to go ahead and kind of, you can say like memory plan or plan, like, I don't know, just I guess fill it out if I'm being honest. I gotta tell y'all, I got a new office chair and I'm super excited because it's actually pretty comfortable and it's making me feel really happy about even sitting at my office, doing my job and recording videos, the whole thing. So anyways, let's go ahead and pick out a washi. Let me point the camera this way where my washi's at and we can pick a washi together. Okay, so these are the washis that I have, and I don't know, one thing that I was thinking about doing is using some of my Smeesky stickers that I have here. I just thought that would be fun. I have a ton of random like Smeesky and Labubu stickers. Like, where are they? Like these stickers. So I was thinking about using some of those. I just think it'll be fun. I also have these, but I don't know if I want to use these for like on my cover somewhere or what the deal would be with that. So I'm thinking I want to pick something that would kind of go with like the Smeeskys. So I don't have anything that has like green. Ooh, what if I use this one? I rarely use this one actually. I think this would be kind of fun. Let me grab this and let's see if there's anything else that may catch my... Oh, this is actually kind of the Smeesky green. So let's pick this one out. I think this is actually pretty cool. So these two, and yeah, I think that'll be pretty cute. Okay, I think these actually match perfectly. So with that being said, I'm not going to use the Labubu stickers. I'm definitely going to use the Smeesky one. So I have a ton of these like random Labubu stickers that I got from like AliExpress. So I'm going to put those back in the little bag that I have and leave the Smeeskys out. There's like so many of them, but I can look through them and pick the ones that I like. So let's go ahead and first off, let me add some of this washi, maybe the green one first, because I think this is gonna look pretty cute with the Smeesky. I think I actually got this washi at Daiso, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, Daiso sounds like so much fun. I may do a Daiso trip sometime during the week, honestly, because I feel like whenever I do vlog week, I want to like just do things like kind of to make it fun and to add to the vlog. So I think that would be pretty cool to do. I'm gonna add this right here. Oh, it kind of went over, but it's okay. Oh, it's a little crooked. Maybe I do need to fix it. I don't know why I have this habit of putting things on crooked, but that's okay. That doesn't look the worst. Okay, I like that a lot. And I think I may actually even use some of this throughout the page. I think that would be really fun. I'm also going to grab my yellow, not my yellow, my green liner, this one right here, to add the word prompt at the top, which is what I normally do, as you can tell back here. And we can write out the prompt together. Okay, that's not too bad. I feel like I kind of didn't do it as neat as I could have, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna write down today, although it's already towards the end of the day, it's fine. And then work. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do the little line that I like doing. And with that, since I already started doing that, I also really like going over, like either doing something like this or doing that. I think we're gonna do this whole thing. I just think that'll look nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that really quick. So I don't know, like I can write cursive. My cursive is not good, but whenever I do this, if I'm being honest, I just connect it. Like I don't really put too much thought into it and ruin it or anything. So I just feel like it works and I just call it a day. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here on the today and work, just to kind of make it look cohesive like that. And then the line or the little squiggly. Perfect. Okay, so that is good enough. Now let's look through the stickers, because there's a lot of cute stickers. I actually want to send this one to my friend, so I may leave this one off to the side. This one is pretty cute. Ooh, I love that one. This one says K. There's like, oh, I love Smeeskies. They're just so cute. What is he, like fighting or something? This is from like, I'm pretty sure their museum series. Oh, I like that one. Sorry, I had to sneeze. That one's cute too. Ooh, that one's cute. Since I don't care, Smeesky lover. That was a Labubu. He's like bending over. So many random ones. That one's cool. Actually, I'm not gonna use this one this time around. I may not even use all of them if I'm being honest, but I still wanna look through them to see which one like catches my eye. Okay, I think that's good for that. Let's look through these and see which one I like the most. I fear this one doesn't really go with the color, so I'm just gonna leave that one off to the side. I do kind of like that one. I think this one's funny. I'm thinking, I don't know. I really don't know. I think these two would be really, really funny. So something like that maybe. I think that would look pretty cool. Maybe I'll put this one on the edge. Okay, I've decided. I'm doing this one. Not a huge, I feel like I collect random little things, and I gotta say, I only have like 4 Smeeskies. Like I don't have that many. If anything, I have more Sony Angels than Smeeskies, but I love all of them. It's so cute. And then I definitely want to use this one. I think this one's kind of funny, especially too because I gotta admit, like I had a meeting today for work, and I was like right before my meeting, maybe like an hour before my meeting, I was like putting on like a different shirt and like trying to look a little bit more presentable. It was just so funny. Actually, what if I put I think that's good, like right there. Okay, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, let's put these away. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write down kind of what I had going on today. So for today, I did obviously work. Let me write that down. So work to 5:30. I write that down on both sections. I don't know why, but it works for me. Helps fill up this page, the page, if I'm being honest. 9 to 5:30. I did get Happy Mail, so I'm just gonna write down Happy Mail. And for that, I received bookmark, my chair, and an album. Okay, there's that. And then there's, did I place an order? Yeah, order. I'm gonna put down order cups. I needed to order plastic cups. I like using, sometimes, not all the time, but I do like using plastic cups for my matcha and my coffee whenever I need like a little pick-me-up to make me feel like as if like I'm getting it from like a coffee shop or something. It just works. It's like plain tricks with your mind, if I'm being honest. So I had to order that. Okay, so for work, I did have appointments. I make some outbound calls, close tickets, and I had a meeting. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the little squares. And as a matter of fact, since today is already towards the end of the day, I can check these off. So I finished work. I got the happy mail in, the bookmark came in, the chair came in, the album came in, and we did order the cups. And this also, I completed all these things. I should have pre-planned and done this in advance, but it's no big deal. Like, I'm not gonna stress out about it. Now, one thing I did want to do is add some of this washi, just like random spots here and there. I feel like it'll look kind of cute right here. And then maybe even a little bit more up here, because if I'm being honest, I don't have a lot to write about. So I feel like this would be fun. Cute. Love that. Yeah, and I think it like adds a little bit more. And in fact, I think I even have the same washi, but like thinner. I could add some of this. This would be fun to kind of like tie it in a little bit. Let me use my ruler, because this one I actually care to cut it a little straight. And then this also. Oh, perfect. That looks so cute. Shut up. Shut up. I love it. Let me put that away. Okay, and let me look at today's prompt, because today was the 31st. So what will you continue doing in April, and what will you leave behind in March? So let me write that down really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So I did go ahead and write that down. I gotta admit, like, I feel like I barely left any room for me to write, but if I'm being honest, I feel like it's just enough for me. Now, as far as the prompt goes, what will I continue doing in April is actually, let me show you all. So I started a new Bible. So I got this She Reads Truth Bible from Amazon. Very simple Bible, but I really, really like it. I've heard great things about it. And I even printed out the a Bible program, like a reading plan, and I'm going to be reading it in chronological order. As you can tell, I'm barely on number 3, but that is my goal. That is something that I'm going to keep doing, and that I'm going to continue doing for the month of April, is having Bible studies. Like, I'm trying to do it every single day, but it's something that I shouldn't make excuses for, but it is something that is hard for me to make a habit right now. But, you know, I'm trying, and I'm going to continue doing that in April, and I'm going to try to turn it into a habit. Now, something that I'm going to stop doing and that I will leave in March is procrastinating. I feel like, as far as my current lifestyle goes, I feel like I procrastinate a lot. I feel like now with the weather getting better, I can stop putting excuses aside, as far as like, oh, the weather's ugly, it's cold, it's rainy, and I use that as an excuse to not go outside and walk, and I feel like it's time to stop doing that. And so I'm gonna write that down and basically like summarize it and write that down as far as like my response. And if I have to remove this and add a little bit more, that's fine. Okay, so I basically just summarized that down. I'm actually thinking about printing out a little picture for this section, because today I did continue doing my vlog week stuff, and I thought it'd be really cool to print out just the thumbnail that I used for YouTube. I think that would be really cute. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I thought about bringing out my my trimmer, like, and doing it all straight, but I don't really care. So I'm just going to cut it up and kind of call it a day, and we can add it to my page, and it would be a fun little something. I even thought about putting it in sticker paper, and I'm like, I'm doing too much. Why am I gonna overcomplicate it for myself? So I could even use some of the washi that we were using to add it onto the page, and I feel like it'll look even more fun. So cute. It's a little crooked, but whatever. Oh yeah, that is perfect. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of the same washi, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut it in half, and it looks super cute. I love that. Should I grab another piece, just a small one, to do the same thing on the other edges, on the other corners? Yeah, for sure, just to secure it on there. And I'm gonna write down vlog week. So cute. Okay, I love that. I think that looks really cute. I love the way it turned out, and it's super simple, super quick. And I have to admit, like, when there's days that I don't feel like doing much, I just sometimes go ahead and glue the pages, or I do something like this to not overcomplicate it, I feel. And like I always say this on every single one of my videos, at least like every single one of my planner videos, that you got to do what works for you, do what fits your life and your lifestyle and your needs. So if you don't have a lot going on, just make it fun for yourself. Like, and if you don't want to write, then just go ahead and like skip the page. Who cares? Your planner is for you. It's supposed to work for you. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch my videos, please subscribe, and please be back for Wednesday's video. Wednesday's video will be a vlog. We're going to check stuff off our planners. You're going to join me in for that. It's going to be a busy day. I already have great plans for it. So I will see y'all again tomorrow. Bye.